In the face of a hurricane, staying informed is crucial. Monitor weather updates from reliable sources and follow local authorities' instructions. Know your evacuation routes and leave early if instructed to. Assemble an emergency kit stocked with essentials: water, non-perishable food, medications, and more. If not evacuating, seek shelter in a sturdy building away from windows and doors. Beware of floodwaters and never drive through flooded roads. Keep communication devices charged and have a family communication plan. Ensure you have enough necessary medications and a first aid kit. If using a generator, adhere to safety guidelines to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning. Remember, during a hurricane, your safety is paramount. Stay safe, stay prepared.